Hello, everyone. In the last chapter, we explored management consulting and how it helps businesses grow. Now we'll dive into sales, an essential part of every business. Let's start with a super simple idea. Imagine you're at a school fair. You see a student selling handmade bookmarks. You give them R20 and get a cool bookmark in return. That's sales. Sales is just the process of giving someone a product or service in exchange for money. It's something we experience every day, whether it's buying snacks, games, or even subscriptions online. And the person helping you choose or convincing you to buy, that's the salesperson. Their job is to guide you, answer your questions, and make sure you're happy with what you get. 2. Why is sales important? Now, think about any business you like, maybe a gaming store, a food delivery app, or even your favorite clothing brand. All of them survive and grow only if they can sell what they make. Without sales, a company can't earn money, pay its workers, or create new things. It's like a tree without sunlight. It can't grow. Sales is what brings in the light, money, feedback, and new customers. And it's not just about money, it's about helping people find what they need, solving problems, and building trust. Throw what makes people buy. Have you ever bought something not because you needed it, but because you wanted it? That's emotion in action. Sometimes we buy because we feel excited, or because something looks trendy or cool. Other times, we buy because we trust the brand or the person selling it. A lot of our decisions are driven by feelings, not just facts. That's why good salespeople connect emotionally. They tell stories, ask questions, and understand what their customer truly wants. 4. Building trust with customers. Imagine you ask a shopkeeper if a phone case is waterproof. If they say yes just to sell it and it turns out it's not, would you ever trust them again? Probably not. That's why trust is super important. A good salesperson is honest, even if it means saying, "Sorry, this product isn't right for you." Trust is built by being transparent, listening carefully, and keeping promises. And guess what? That trust often turns into repeat customers and even referrals to friends. Of emotions in buying decisions. Let's say you walk into a shop feeling tired and a smiling staff member greets you and offers you help kindly. That friendly vibe might make you more likely to buy something. Or you see a heartwarming ad online and it sticks with you. That's emotional marketing. Salespeople use emotions in smart, positive ways to create experiences, not pressure. As buyers, being aware of how emotions affect us can help us make smarter choices too. 6. What is a sales funnel? Think of a funnel, wide at the top, narrow at the bottom. A sales funnel works the same way. First, lots of people see an ad. That's the top. Some get interested and want to know more. That's the middle. Then, only a few actually make a purchase. That's the bottom. Businesses use this model to plan how they interact with customers at each stage. It's a helpful way to make sure people get all the info and support they need before making a choice. 7. Stages of a customer journey. Let's use an example. You need a new backpack. You realize your old one is torn. That's awareness. You start looking online and in stores. That's consideration. You ask your friends, read reviews, and compare prices. Evaluation. Then you buy one. Decision. That's your customer journey. Every company studies this path to see where customers get stuck or drop off, and how to help them better. 8. How businesses guide customers. Good businesses don't just sit and wait. They guide you. They show you ads, give discounts, offer live chats, and send friendly emails. All of this is done to make your journey smoother. Think about when Amazon shows you people also bought suggestions. That's guiding you toward things you might like based on your interests. It's like having a helpful friend while shopping. 9. What is persuasion? Persuasion isn't about forcing someone to buy, it's about helping them make a good decision. It means being confident, clear, and understanding their needs. In fact, you probably use persuasion all the time, convincing your parents to let you go out or your friends to vote for your idea in a group project. In sales, persuasion is powerful when it's honest and customer focused. But 10 words that sell. Some words grab attention immediately. Free trial, 100% safe, limited time only. These are persuasive words that create interest. Salespeople use such language carefully to show value and spark action. But the key is using these words sincerely, not just as tricks. When you say something clearly and confidently, people believe in your message more. 11. Listening is powerful. We often think great salespeople are great talkers, but even more important is listening. When you really listen, you learn what the customer actually wants. Imagine someone says, "I want a laptop for school." A good salesperson doesn't just say, "Here's one." They ask, "What subjects are you studying? Do you need long battery life?" That's how listening builds trust and helps you make better recommendations. In life, too, listening shows respect and helps solve problems better. 12. What is CRM? CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. Think of it as a super organized notebook, but digital. It stores names, contact details, past purchases, complaints, basically everything about a customer. Businesses use CRM to remember who you are and serve you better. If you've ever received a birthday discount email or been greeted by name on a website, that's CRM in action. It's a powerful way to keep relationships strong and customers happy. 13. Using technology in sales. Sales today isn't just about shop counters, it's also websites, apps, data dashboards, and more. Sellers now use graphs and charts to see which products are hot. They schedule emails, track who opens them, and personalize messages for different customers. Just like you use Google Docs for school projects or social media to stay connected, sales professionals use tech tools to work faster, smarter, and reach more people. 14. Social media and sales. Social media isn't just for entertainment, it's a gold mine for businesses. Have you seen product ads while scrolling Instagram or TikTok? That's social selling. Sellers post about their products, share reviews, and interact with customers right there. Influencers promote brands, people tag their favorite stores, and comments help others decide. It turns shopping into a fun, community driven experience. If you're creative online, social media sales could be your thing. 15. What are KPIs? Here comes a new term, KPI, which means Key Performance Indicator. These are like scoreboards that show how well something is working. Imagine if you tracked how many math problems you solved each week. That's your KPI. In sales, it might be how many calls a salesperson made or how many products were sold. It's a quick way to see what's going great and what needs a little more work. 16. How sales teams track success. Sales teams don't just work randomly, they track everything. Every week they meet to review progress, discuss what worked and what didn't, and plan ahead. They celebrate wins and learn from challenges. They also set goals, like, let's increase sales by 10% next month. It's just like preparing for your exams. You revise, take practice tests, and set targets. That's exactly what sales teams do too. 17. Simple examples of sales metrics. Here are some everyday examples of metrics in sales. How many items were sold this week? How many customers left positive reviews? How quickly did the team respond to customer questions? These numbers help teams improve. It's like checking how many words you wrote in an essay or how many baskets you scored in PE. Numbers tell a story, and in sales, they guide decisions. 18. Jobs in sales. Sales offers tons of job options. You could be selling clothes in a mall, tech gadgets in a store, or software to big companies. You could run your own online business, sell through Instagram, or even travel for work. Sales exists in every field, from fashion to finance to food. If you enjoy talking to people, helping them, and solving problems, there's probably a perfect sales job for you out there. 19. Skills needed for sales careers. So, what makes someone good at sales? First, communication. You have to explain clearly and confidently. Second, problem solving. You listen to what the customer wants and offer the best solution. Third, positivity. No one wants to buy from someone who's bored or rude. These are skills you can build now by joining debates, working on projects, or helping classmates. Sales is about people, and the better you understand people, the better you'll do. 20. Why sales is a great career path. Let's wrap it all up. Sales isn't just about money, it's about growth. Many top business leaders started in sales. Why? Because it teaches real world skills: confidence, communication, creativity, and leadership. It gives you a chance to meet new people, try different industries, and always learn something new. If you're thinking about your future, sales is a flexible and exciting career path where you can start young, grow fast, and make a real impact.